When cutting a cake, do you ever come up several slices short or end up with completely uneven slices? I hate when that happens. I'm here to introduce to you the all-new, amazing Perslice.
No more trying to figure out how to cut your cake to have enough slices at the office party or your next birthday celebration. Perslice is the revolutionary new cake slicer and server that'll make sure you get the perfect slice every time.
Simply dial the Perslice to the desired number of slices. Align Perslice to the outside edge of your cake with the correct diameter marker on the blades. Press down to slice through your cake and pull the spatula lever to serve the perfect slice every time.
Perslice will slice your cake into 14, 16, 20, 24, or 30 equal slices, so you can be sure that everybody can enjoy a delicious slice of cake every time.
Perslice replaces a sharp knife and spatula, making it safe around children, and it's dishwasher safe too. So what are you waiting for? By ordering your easy-to-use Perslice cake cutter and server today, we'll slice the price from $34.99 to $19.99. That's a 40% discount just for ordering now. Go to perslice.com right now and order yours today. Or call 888-567-1901 and get your Perslice for just $19.99.